Welcome friends to our new video on multi-asset funds. Today we will explore what multi-asset funds are, where they invest their money, what are the benefits of investing in multi-asset funds, and who are the kind of investors who should consider investing in them. Now friends, let's discuss what are multi-asset funds. Multi-asset funds are investment vehicles that combine multiple asset classes such as equities, bonds, cash, and alternative assets like real estates and commodities. This diversification helps to spread risk and can help lead to more stable returns over time. Friends, as we said, multi-asset funds basically invest in all three major asset classes. It keeps on the process of asset allocation all year long according to the existing market situation. To start with, the fund manager has to invest minimum 10% in each asset classes, for example, debt, gold, equities and REITs. And in due course of time, the fund manager carries on changing the ratios of the asset classes. Now, there is a very big advantage of having gold in this portfolio because equities and gold are counter-cyclical assets. Whenever there is an emergency in the market, the equities are down, the gold will always shoot up and counter the loss which has been created due to the fall in equities. So, they are counter-cyclical assets. They manage each other's risk. The key characteristics of these funds are diversification, dynamic asset allocation, and risk tolerance adjustment. Diversification means by investing across various asset classes, multi-asset funds aims to reduce volatility and risk compared to single asset investments. Dynamic asset allocation is fund managers actively adjust the allocation of assets based on market conditions and economic forecast, allowing for flexibility in response to changing environments. And risk tolerance adjustments, these funds can cater to different risk profiles from aggressive investors who prefer high equity exposures to conservative investors who favor bonds and cash. Another advantage which these funds carry are the advantage of diversification across asset classes, the stability in returns, and active rebalancing in the portfolio. Like we have depicted in this video, debt provides stability to the portfolio, gold provides a hedge against the inflation and geopolitical risks, there is equity which provides alpha, which provides the return, and there are international equities which provide diversification amongst the equity asset class. Now friends, we have provided you with 10 major multi-asset funds in our industry, amongst which ICICI Prudential Multi-Asset Fund has given a return of 31.10%, Navi has given 17.81%, Nippon has given 17.72%, and Quant has given 49.98%. And all the other multi-asset funds have averaged round about 13 to 14%. So it pans out to be a reasonably good investment in all market scenarios. That is why it is also known as an all-weather friend. This fund also carries another very good advantage of professional management. Investors benefit from the expertise of fund managers who make informed decisions on various asset classes and their asset allocation. There is also a convenience of multi-asset funds provide a ready-made portfolio, allowing investors to avoid the complexities of managing multiple investments individually. Like an investor who wants to invest in equities, he wants to invest in gold. The same investor, when he wants to invest in debt, he can invest in a single fund which carries all three asset classes. Multi-asset funds are suitable for Beginner investors, those who are new to investing, can benefit from the simplicity and diversification of these funds. Then there are risk-averse investors, individuals looking for steady returns with lower risk exposure may find these funds appealing. And then there are long-term investors, those with a longer investment horizon can take advantage of the growth potential of equities while mitigating risks through bonds and other assets. So friends, as you have seen, this fund is an all-weather fund and it invests in gold, bond, stock, real estate, cash and derivatives. Friends, आप अगर ये सारे एसेट क्लासेस में एलोकेशन लेना चाहते हो, उसके लिए आपको एक ही फंड में इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा और सारे एसेट क्लासेस का मजा आप एक इसी फंड में इन्वेस्ट करके ले सकते हो. So friends, to conclude, we may say that multi-asset funds represent a versatile investment strategy that caters to various investor needs by combining different asset classes. They provide a balanced approach to achieving the financial goals and managing the risk efficiently.